Today's tutorial, how to add and remove attachments in PDF C#. Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to learn how to add and remove file attachments in a PDF using IronPDF in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If you haven't done this, you can quickly install it using the NuGet package manager. So begin by importing the IronPDF namespace in your program.cs file and setting the license key to enable full functionality. Next, we'll open an existing PDF file using the PDF document.fromFile method, which allows us to work with that PDF. To add an attachment to the PDF, we first load the file into a byte array and then use the pdf.attachments.addAttachments method to attach the file to the PDF. After adding the attachment, save the PDF using the save as method to store the updated document with the file attached. Now let's remove an attachment. First, we'll load the saved PDF file. Then we can retrieve the list of attachments using pdf.attachments and remove one using remove attachment. Once the first attachment is removed from the removed attachments, we'll save the PDF again with the changes. So let's go ahead and run the application and check our output. All right, so you'll see the attachment successfully added and removed from the PDF. That's it. You learn how to add and remove attachments in a PDF using IronPDF. It's really a great way to enhance your PDF documents by embedding additional files. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. Slam the like button too, that always helps. To get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package. Experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.